When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 24th of October. I'm James Spann. A very cool pattern setting up for the next 7 days. Temperatures stay below average, and just maybe some will see the first freeze of the season by Sunday or Monday morning. Let's go in there and talk about this pattern. Look at that trough. Wow. Over the eastern half of the country, pulling down this cool air. We are in the upper 40s and low 50s to start this day. Birmingham 52, 48 for Cullman and Tuscaloosa. Around the nation, colder air to the north and west. Really hard to find any warmth except for the southwest United States and South Florida. There's the watch warning map this morning. Wind advisories in effect for scattered pockets around the country. And we note looks like some frost warnings for parts of West Tennessee for tonight and North Mississippi. I think this week, in terms of the weather between now and Friday, our best chance of frost will be Thursday morning. That's the severe weather outlook. Maybe some severe storms today for places like New York City, Atlantic City, the coast of Delaware. But obviously, we're in a stable air mass. But we are going to see some rain as the weekend begins. This is the rain for the next 7 days. This is suggesting maybe 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, less than 1/2 inch for the south. And looks like we might see rain beginning late Friday night into Saturday. Saturday looks like a cold, blustery day, as you'll see. Out in the tropics, watching a little disturbance near the coast of Central America. Here's the 5-day outlook, and the Hurricane Center gives it a medium chance of developing. And if anything tries to get its act together, most likely it's going to be swept east or northeast by the pattern bringing the cold air down. So one way or the other should not be a worry for us. So let's dive into this thing here. This is the GFS, the 06E run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Big trough over the east, and for us, it's going to be a day of kind of cold air advection, kind of breezy, a strong north-northwest wind. Highs in the 60s today, partially sunny. And understand with that cold core upper trough, you know, there might even be a few isolated showers this evening over North Alabama. This is the high-res HER valid at 8 o'clock tonight. It shows a lobe coming down the backside of that trough, and it tries to squeeze out a few isolated showers. That would be in areas north or northeast of Birmingham. Moisture is very, very limited, but we've seen that happen before, so we're going to insert that in the forecast. The chance of isolated showers late this afternoon or early tonight for north and northeast Alabama. Not a big deal, but just be aware that's in the forecast now. Tomorrow, even cooler. The high will drop to about 60, and early in the morning we'll be close to 40. And again, a pretty good breeze out of the west and northwest, but the sky should be sunny, bright and sunny. Now, Thursday, the winds go kind of calm, and this is where the colder valleys could reach the 30s. Not everybody, but colder pockets, 30s, with a chance of some scattered frost. Then during the day Thursday, the sky will be sunny, and we'll probably maybe hit up there towards 70. Now, Friday, all of a sudden, the GFS is kind of grabbing onto the European idea of bringing moisture back in here, so it's catching on. I think Friday, the day will be dry. We'll call it partly sunny with clouds increasing late in the day. And again, the high probably around 70. And look at this now. This is Friday night, just after midnight, 1 a.m. Saturday, showing a band of rain creeping into Alabama. So we'll insert the chance of rain beginning late Friday night. It should be after the high school football games, I think. And then Saturday, that's going to be a wet, cold, blustery day. Temperatures will kind of sit between 50 and 55. Rain falling at times. Goodness, check out these wind chills coming off the GFS. This is valid Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock. This is showing a wind chill index of 34 at Cullman and Huntsville, 41 at Birmingham and Anniston, 44 in Tuscaloosa. I mean, it's going to be like the dead of winter with clouds, wind, and rain. Kind of a miserable day, so if you're got anything planned outdoors, just be aware of that. And then Sunday, the rain is gone, and it's going to be very brisk. We'll be down in the 30s Sunday morning. Now, we've still got wind, so I don't think we see a freeze or a lot of frost on Sunday morning. The day Sunday, probably a mixture of clouds and sunshine with a high in the 50s. Keep in mind, we ought to be in the 70s this time of the year. And then we go to Monday. That's when the wind is going to be calm, Monday morning. So I think Monday morning, with chance we'll see widespread frost. And for some, a freeze. Not everybody, but for some, especially the valleys and protected areas. And then the sky should be sunny. The high will be in the 60s. And this is Tuesday, a week from today. Still a cold look for much of the continental United States. That's cool and dry. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, November 2nd. The heights are coming up, and we should moderate, maybe highs back in the 70s at that point. But look at the numbers here coming off the GFS ensemble. You sure don't see any 80s in here. And you can see that cold shot for the weekend. And the ensemble here showing 33 for Birmingham early Monday morning. And I do think the colder pockets will indeed visit the 20s Monday morning for the first time this year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.